Hey guys, so this is the base of the cream of vegetable soup. So we got 1 head of broccoli, we have about like 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, I have about 5 chopped up carrots, and then 2 peeled potatoes and just chopped up. And you kind of want everything to be the same size so everything cooks at the same time. And then you want to start off with a stock pot. Get that heated about medium-high heat, and then you're gonna add your olive oil and let that get hot for a second. Now after the pan and the oil is heated, you're gonna want to add the chopped up carrots, the chopped up onion, and then just stir that around for a little bit. And then I like to add the garlic after, just so it doesn't burn, and then mix it back all together. Now you're going to add the 2 potatoes that are peeled, and then you're going to want to add the chopped up head of broccoli, and then just stir that around. Just get everything incorporated, and then you want to saute that for about like 5 to 10 minutes. And then we got to take a little break for the kitty. So now you're gonna add homemade veggie stock. I made it homemade. You don't have to. You could use like whatever stock you really have. I use veggie to make it vegan, but you can use chicken stock or whatever. And then I had a vegetable like bouillon cube. I just added one of those just for a little more flavor. And then you're just gonna stir that around and make sure that's dissolved. And then what you're looking for at this point, you want to start off like at a low boil and then reach it up to a simmer, because you just want all the vegetables to get tender, so when you use the immersion blender later on, everything's just easier to blend up. So now moving on to the homemade croutons, I just use whatever leftover bread I had, and then seasoning, you can use really whatever. You can make like cheesy croutons, whatever you really like. I just use like herbs, some herb salt I had, olive oil, and garlic. And then just mix them around, and then I put them in the oven at about like 350 just until golden brown, so probably like 15-20 minutes. And then you're gonna move on to the soup, and everything should be tender at this point. You can see like everything's kind of simmered down, and most of it is all broken down. So now you're just gonna use the immersion blender, blend that up. You want a pretty smooth consistency. You want everything, if you want to leave it somewhat chunky, you can. I like to be like pretty smooth at this point. And then you're gonna add 1 can of coconut milk. I use unsweetened because I don't want a sweet soup. And then you're just gonna blend that up all together. Also, if you guys would like, if you don't have an immersion blender like this, hand blender, you can use a regular blender, but you'd have to do it in batches. So don't fill up your blender all the way with the soup, because then you just make a mess. So just do it maybe in like half of it filled, and then blend it all together, and then just do batches, and it should come out the same. And then after it's all mixed up, you're gonna season it to taste and see what else it needs, and then at this point it's done. And then you're just gonna top it off with the croutons, and there you have it. And you could top it off with Parmesan cheese, you could top it off with anything you really like, but this is the way I like to do it. So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys want more stuff like this, just comment below and let me know. Thank you guys.